Hello YouTube, I'm Afridi from DiGi and I'm back with another video. So in this video we're gonna talk about how do I edit my cinematic videos that I posted like iPhone X. So how do I do it? So first of all, we are gonna discuss what should you do. First of all, you have to record some really good shots. I mean, if you record something else and that's not really useful in cinematic videos, then it's not gonna look good, obviously. So just imagine and think about the cinematic videos and just record like them, and then when you come back to the computer, you're gonna be so happy about it because you're gonna be successful in it. You're gonna be successful, yeah. So about me, what do I use to edit the videos? My MacBook Pro. And what software? The Final Cut Pro X. So that's what I use, but it's not like restricted. You can use anything you want, like I mean not like a movie maker of Windows. I mean like After Effects, Adobe Premiere, or this one. But I like to use this one because I have a MacBook Pro and Final Cut Pro is optimized for this, so I'm really happy about this. Okay, so let's move to the computer. Okay, so first of all, we're coming to the Final Cut Pro. This is the Final Cut Pro, and I'm going to import a sample video for you guys. Yeah, obviously for you guys. Okay, so this is the sample video that I have right here. Yeah, it looks kind of unsaturated, but I'm going to add this MLUT. This is a free software application that is a plugin for the Final Cut Pro, so you can add this to your Final Cut Pro too, and for other softwares like Adobe Premiere and After Effects. You can also use LUTs, but not the MLUT. There is a separate way to do that. Okay, so right now I have this. I'm going to import a LUT in here. So I'm going to go and just choose any of this. Like I'm going to try this one and then this one. Well, let's try another one. Yeah, like this. So I think I like this one. I'm going to say yes to this, and intensity can be changed. You can go further and just increase the shadows. I might increase it a little bit, and the midtones, you might see what change this can bring, but I do not like to adjust the midtones too much. And then you can go and play with some contrast. Yeah, right about here, and you can add the saturation a little bit. Saturated. So I think this looks a bit more saturated. You can just decrease this a little bit, and now when you just go back and see what did you do, you're gonna be surprised. You're just gonna be completely surprised by this, because if I remove this, and now you'll be just like, what? Was this the first? And did we used to edit videos without color grading and it looked like this? What? And now wow, this looks like a film. This looks like cinematic. Yeah, that's the reaction. So that's what I do, and then add some really good music to it. It's gonna look really good. Okay. Okay guys, so if you haven't followed me on Instagram, you can just follow me using Aftab_Afridi. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. Peace out.